Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, if I give you something that doesn't feel good on your body or causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. Remember that only you know your body, and we want to find positions while we stretch that feel good on our bodies rather than intense. So please don't push yourself past what feels good. Before we begin, we're going to find some deep breath together from any comfortable seat, or perhaps even laying down flat on your back with knees bent, soles of the feet on the floor. Go ahead and softly close your eyes and let go of your belly and your chest. Relax your hands wherever feels most comfortable. If you'd like, you can even rest the right palm on your belly and the left palm over the center of your chest or your heart. And just feel that gentle ebb and flow of breath under your hands. Take a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, release. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to your natural breath and take a moment to focus on what you're grateful for right now. Softly flutter the eyes open and release your hands if they were at the belly and the heart. And go ahead and shift forward, coming into tabletop position, hands and knees. Spread the fingers wide, root the palms down. Make sure that wrist creases are parallel to the front edge of the mat or a little bit turned out. Stack shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, and softly inhale, cow pose, arch the spine, melt the belly down, press the heart forward, and look forward. Exhale, cat, round the spine, lift your belly button up and in, look to your thighs, release the neck. Inhale, cow, send the heart forward, belly down, lift the tailbone, firm your core, and exhale, cat, round, tuck the tailbone, release the neck, push the earth down, keep your core activated. And then flow through cat-cow, inhaling and exhaling with your movement. So inhale, cow, keep your core firm. Exhale, cat round, keep the core engaged. And flow through these, going to the wave of your own breath. Really nice work. And come back to a nice neutral table. Keep your core engaged and walk your hands over to the right side to get a side body stretch. Keep your hips over your knees. Walk the hands back through center and then guide them over to the left, keeping hips over your knees. Really nice work. Only walk the hands to the left as far as feels good, especially on your lower back. Remember to take care of yourself. And then walk those hands right back through center. Lift the right knee, tuck the right toes under, and firm your right heel back. If it feels good, just shift forward and backwards a little bit. Really nice. Float the right heel up and reach the left hand forward. If you're working on balance, I want you to slide your left foot over to the right to use as a kickstand. Keep your whole body engaged here. Round in, knee to elbow, lift the belly up and in just like in cat. Inhale, extend, hand forward, heel back. Good. 3 more going at your own pace. Good, and then glue the palm and the knee back down. Sway the hips a little bit from side to side and take your own variation of child's pose. If your knees are bothering you today, I want you to lift the hips higher, stack the forearms under the forehead, and you can even tuck those toes. Rise back up into table, really good. Lift the left knee, tuck the left toes under, firm the heel back. And if it feels good, just shift forwards and backwards a little bit. And come back to neutral, really nice. Float the left heel up in line with the left hip. Reach the right hand forward, palm faces in. And exhale, round in, knee to elbow. Lift the belly up and in, release the neck. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round in. Good. And then release back down, table, child's pose. And rise up and come to lay down in Savasana. Open the heels and the hands out as wide as the short edge of your yoga mat, palms face up. Softly close your eyes, let go of the belly and the chest. Encourage a deeper breath. Completely relax your body and your mind and just focus on each inhale and exhale. Let yourself release and surrender down to the earth below you. Gently bend your knees and roll over onto one side. And rise up into any comfortable seat. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope that you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.